Tonight, in a bizarre but oddly wholesome crossover between spiritual tradition and modern gaming panic, Japan may have just dropped the most unexpectedly essential horror survival item of the year. And no, it's not a flashlight upgrade or a cheat code for infinite saves. If you've ever strolled through the streets of Japan, you may have spotted a curious little mound of salt. Cone-shaped, dignified, sitting silently by the entrance of a shop. That, dear viewers, is a Morishio, literally a pile of salt used to ward off evil spirits, and it's serious business. From sumo rings to funeral rituals, salt has long been a symbol of purification in Japanese culture. But now, it's leveling up. Enter the Kyofu Kokufuku Morishio, or fear-overcoming pile of salt. A brand new Morishio aimed at a very specific audience, gamers who absolutely cannot handle horror games. Brought to you by the collaboration of tradition-focused Shizuoka Moko and game developers Dai 4 Kyokai, this spiritual accessory is priced at 1,750 yen, or just under $12, and comes with a salt-shaping mold, a stylish dish, and a dose of supernatural swagger. But here's the kicker. It glows blue. Well, sort of. In the same way gaming chairs and RGB keyboards must look like they're powered by alien technology, this salt is dyed a vibrant blue, simultaneously calming and gamer core approved. So how does it work? According to feng shui, place it correctly and it could help repel negative energies, perfect for those about to dive into haunted asylums, cursed villages, or anywhere you're hearing static radio from nowhere. But misplace it, and you might just be inviting those spirits in. Gamers online were divided, some ready to salt up before Silent Hill F, others worried they'd summon the ghost of Rage Quit past. So if horror games keep you up at night, your palms sweaty, and your heart rate dangerously close to cardiac territory, maybe, just maybe, all you need is a little salt by your side. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.